twist your hair, you roll it, okay? So when you roll to like 3 to 4 times, you bend the top of your straw, then grab a bobby pin and secure it, okay? By doing so, it will make your extension not to unravel once you're done curling your hair, okay? And if you're new to my channel, my name is Genevieve Ezinwa. I'm an Nigerian YouTuber based in Lagos. You are very much welcomed. And also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your love and support, and also thank you for stopping by. Alright, moving on to the hair. When you get to the where your hair ends, like almost to where your hair ends, the little piece of the hair that is remaining, you start twisting and roll it upwards. So when you roll it upwards, as you can see that I'm doing right now, it will help secure the down part of the extension, okay? It will not unravel when you're done curling your hair. So afterwards, you grab a scissors and trim off the excess flyaways as you saw that I did. And so when you grab your straw, you twist your hair and you roll it like 3 to 4 times. You grab a bobby pin and you secure it, and afterwards you move on to curl your hair. When you twist, you roll, you twist, you roll, okay? When you're almost getting to where your hair finishes, you start twisting and rolling upwards so as to secure the down part, and after which you grab a scissors and trim off the excess flyaways. And if you've not watched my previous video where I showed how I made this headband wig using Xpression Kanekalon braiding hair, I'll drop the link in the description box below, so please do well to check it out. Alright, so here I'll be showing you how I use the rubber band in place of a bobby pins, okay? So in case you want to curl your hair and you don't have a bobby pins and you have a rubber band, don't worry, okay? The rubber band will do just fine. So this is basically all I'll be doing till I'm done with the whole hair. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, consider hitting the red subscribe button so you subscribe to my channel and you join the family. You are most definitely welcome into the family. Also, like this video, share my videos, give it a thumbs up, and all those good stuffs, you know. So guys, I'll allow you to watch and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm done with the whole hair and this is what it's looking like, and I'll put it in hot water. So I already boiled my water and I'm adding a leave-in conditioner into it. Then the leave-in conditioner I'm using is called Mediana leave-in conditioner. If you have any leave-in conditioner, it will do just fine. So after putting it in hot water, you allow it to air dry. Once it's completely dry, you start removing the straws. When you're removing the straws, okay, do not pull it to scatter the hair, just pull it out just the way I showed you. Then after which I'll spray water on it. I mixed the leave-in conditioner and water together, so that's what I'm spraying right now. And afterwards I'm also going in with a Nova styling mousse onto it. This will help me unravel the hair without spoiling or messing up the curls. Alright guys, so this is what my hair is looking like. Looking all cute, right? Okay. Hey lovelies, what's up, going? Alright, I've already unrolled my hair from the previous headband wig that I had on, and now I'll be smoothing the front of my hair, my edges. I'll be laying it. I already showed in my previous video where I showed you how to lay your hair or slick your hair before wearing a headband wig. Okay, so you can do well to check it out if you don't really understand what I'm doing right here. And also there are tons and tons of videos on YouTube where you can also watch and learn how to lay the front of your hair prior to wearing your headband wig. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna head to apply my hair wax into my hair, and after which I've brushed it up with my Bristle brush, and now I'm using the edge brush to lay it down properly. And after which I'll grab my scarf and also tie onto my head, and I'll allow it to sit for some minutes, and I will remove it, and you will see how my hair is looking. Voila, looking all cute, huh? Yeah, that front of hair is laid, as in laid. Yeah, so this is my headband wig, my curly headband wig from Straight to Curls. Now I think I'm really liking this curl more than the straight one. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Which do you prefer, the curly look or the straight look? Alright, so I'm going on to wear my headband wig onto my hair. First of all, I will attach my wig combs, and afterwards I'll attach the two wig combs in the front and also one wig comb at the back, and then I'll attach my velcro. Okay, also I'll be showing you different styles you can rock your headband wig with. Okay, so if you have this headband wig, you don't need to look same like every day.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.